friends, welcome to Smart Cooking with Azlafa and Ayaz. Today I'm going to show you how to make Til Chikki. So let's start. Friends, for making Til Chikki you need half cup of til roasted, this 2 cubes of jaggery and 2 teaspoons of ghee. You can also use butter or oil. So now you have to take a pan. In that you have to add 2 teaspoons of ghee. I added 2 teaspoons of ghee and now jaggery. And now you have to mix it. This jaggery should melt. And keep the flame on medium. So friends, for checking whether this jaggery is ready, you have to take a drop and put it inside water. And wait for 2 seconds. After that, just remove it and check. It should be a little hard and crispy when you break it. Easily it should break. So it is ready. Now you should take the til and add it inside it. Just off the flame. Now mix it. So friends, the jaggery should become like this after adding the til. So friends, you have to take a dish and grease it with oil and keep it ready so that you can pour the batter or the jaggery inside this dish. So friends, now this is ready. Our chikki is ready and I have poured the mixture inside this dish, and before that I have greased it. And now you have to make slits inside this between, because it will stick to each other and become difficult to remove it. And now then you have to keep it in room temperature for some time and then keep it in the refrigerator so that it can get set. Friends, now our chikki is ready. If you liked my video, like, share and subscribe to our channel Smart Cooking with Azlafa and Ayaz. Thank you for watching.